Take a photograph, it'll be the last. Not a dollar or a crowd could ever keep me here. I don't have a patch.
Hi, I'm Joan Kelly from Middlesex, New Jersey, and we were mandatory evacuated last night at 6 o'clock. And now I can't come back to my house, but I know my neighbors across the street have 7 inches of water in the whole house, and a couple houses down they have like 5 feet in the basement, so it doesn't look too good for us here, but we got through Floyd, so we'll get through this one too. Thank you.
Is it you I want, or just an ocean of to wrap around so I can find my way around? Safe to say from here, together we're so we never said 'cause we're not allowed to be. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the world is waiting for the sun. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the world is waiting for us.
Hello, we are residents of Middlesex Borough. We live on South Lincoln Avenue. Our home is the yellow home in the middle. The waters are almost up to the point where it's up to the top, almost to getting into our living room. Our basement is flooded. You know, we have a car parked in the driveway we weren't able to move. We're just really disheartened right now by this. We have nowhere really to go. I mean, we have the shelters, it's overcrowded. It's just a lot. We're hungry, we're tired, and we're just devastated. We came back to check on our house when the rain ceased, and this is the condition it's in.
Come again another day.
The wall blocks out the whole creek right here that gets overloaded from all the crap off the mountain. That all falls up over here and backs up into the
So
Raritan.
these houses never flooded before.
Craziness, craziness. Just imagine those people right there. Dude, the Raritan's at like 42 feet right now. It's tying itself to Floyd.
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. All the world is waiting for the sun to lie here under you. It's all that I could ever do. To lie here under you is all. To lie